Barry. Hey guys, so I am tired. I don't feel good. It's this very quick video, and I think my phone's about to die. But I know it sucks. It just sucks so much. But tomorrow, me and Lily are going to go see the Croods, and I'm so excited. It's really yes, thank you. Just thank you so much. Yes, we are excited to go see the Croods.
Yes, I'm so excited that I can burst.
You're so excited that you could burst. She's excited she could burst. Now, I really don't feel good. Actually, I really hope that I feel better by the movie because I don't want to be like. But now I'll be sleeping. You should have played that at Go, Jude. See, but you didn't. That's how you should have done that. You didn't do that.
Let's talk about all of your other things in your video. Do that now. Like what today is, and
today is the day.
Yeah, and talk about how your subscribers, and talk about your fans.
I have subscribers. I have fans. Oh my God! What?
Talk about all the stuff you need to talk about.
Stuff.
Talk about your stuff.
I am talking about my stuff. That's Kim Possible, isn't it? I know what that is.
Okay. Do.
That means I lost. I don't like that sound. I am going to go to sleep soon. So this is why this video has got to get up. So, I love you guys. What? In the hell?
Alright.
But I'm going to go. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I got to go.
No.
I got to go. Bye.